Good evening, my friends. It's time for Money Multiplier. It's a 10 euro ticket, chances to win, as you probably already know, 1 in 3.3. My chances to win, 1 in 2 billion. No, I'm joking. It's still 1 in 3.3, but this ticket has treated me really, really badly. But I've decided to play this until I have one winner, which will probably be a break-even at some point, but fingers crossed for some better luck. Numbers I'm looking for are 4, 31, 44, 58 and 21. This is ticket number 9. 4 is one of my 2 lucky numbers. I mean, lucky numbers just because I say it is. I think that 4 and 22 are my lucky numbers, so maybe this ticket will change my luck with that. 48, 62, 39, 64, 27 and 13. Nothing so far. 30. One off from 31. 59. One off from 58. 18. 14. 53. 47, 41, 65, 2, 29, 45, one off of 44, 6, 24, 23, 3, 46, 63, 28, 55, 1, 51, 22, which is supposed to be my second lucky number, but that's the last. Oh no, that's not the last row, sorry, there's 2 rows left. 9, 33, 15, 12, 35, 43. Okay, and now it's starting to look really bad. 60, 37, 19, 57, 32, and last chance, 5. Okay, so I think that it's not it's not the winning ticket. It's another loser on this range, and as I say, this ticket just doesn't like me at all. I think that I will give it a bit of a rest now, because what's that now? 4 losing tickets in a row? Oh well, you know, happens. I guess somebody got the winner. So anyway, I have something else tomorrow. I might get the crossword, or I might get, I don't know, maybe something new. Stay tuned and join me tomorrow for a new scratch. Bye!